Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting Power BI to your server database. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a live connection so you can start visualizing your data and building those impactful dashboards. Whether you're working with sales figures, customer data, or pretty much any data stored in MariaDB, you'll finally be able to unlock insights using Power BI's powerful tools. So let's dive right in. First, we need to get our connector in place. Power BI doesn't have a built-in connector for MariaDB specifically, but here's a neat trick. Since MariaDB is basically MySQL compatible, we can use the MySQL connector. That's going to act as the bridge between Power BI and your database. Head over to the official MySQL connector download page. Just type MySQL connector downloads into your browser and grab the latest version of MySQL connector net. The installation is pretty straightforward. Just double-click the installer and follow the prompts. If you've ever installed any other Windows software, this will feel familiar. Take your time here. Installing the connector is a one-time job, but it's what lets Power BI understand and speak the same language as MariaDB. Once that's installed, go ahead and launch Power BI Desktop. The work happens here, so make sure you have it open. At the top, you'll see the Home tab. Click on Get Data, then More. This is where Power BI lists all the various data sources it can connect to. In the search box, type MySQL database, and when it appears on the list, hit Connect. Don't worry if you don't see anything labeled MariaDB. We're using MySQL because it works seamlessly with MariaDB behind the scenes. Think of it like borrowing a universal remote for your TV. It's technically for a different brand, but works perfectly well. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your server details. Here, where you tell Power BI exactly where to find your MariaDB database. The server field is where you put your server name or IP address, so for example, if you're running MariaDB locally, just type localhost. If it's on your company network, it might look something like 192.168.150 or perhaps mid-server company com. If you're not sure, your IT admin can help with the details. There's also a spot for the database name, but you can leave that blank if you want Power BI to show you all available databases on that server, especially handy if you're exploring or unsure what you need just yet. Now, authentication. This is basically Power BI asking, who are you and do you have permission to access this database? Most of the time, you'll choose basic. That means entering your database username and password, the credentials you'd normally use to log into MariaDB. In rare cases, if your setup allows, you might use Windows authentication, but with MariaDB, that's pretty uncommon. Just pick basic, enter your info, and click Connect. If you get stuck here, double-check your password and username and don't stress. It's normal to try this a couple of times, especially on your first go. After a few moments, Power BI connects you and opens the navigator pane. This is always satisfying to see. It's where all your tables and views in MariaDB show up, ready to be explored. Take a second to look through the list, scroll down and find the tables you need for your analysis. Just click the boxes beside whichever tables or views you want to import. If you want to clean up your data first, maybe filter out some columns, fix data types, or remove duplicates, hit Transform Data to open Power Query. Otherwise, you can just click Load and bring the data straight into Power BI to start building your visuals. And that's it, you've connected Power BI to MariaDB. Now you can create reports, charts, and dashboards that update automatically with your latest data. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions about connecting databases, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.